Hi everyone! Welcome to a new video from Crypto Market, the educational channel about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Today, I want to show you how the new Trezor Save 5 wallet works. In a previous video, we looked at all its features. And in this video, since I already received the wallet, I'm going to show you how to configure it, and I'm also going to show you the process to deposit and send some Bitcoin. Here we can see that the box always arrives completely sealed. The device has Trezor's holographic security seal. This screen comes with a protective plastic. And here on the side is the slot to insert the microSD. This is the USB-C cable. The length of this cable is approximately 19 inches. The cable is Type-C on both ends, so if suddenly your PC doesn't have Type-C, you can buy this adapter to normal USB. It's very cheap. You can get it in technology stores or on Amazon. In the box come 3 stickers, 2 cards to write the seed words, and the user manual. If this is your first time using a Trezor wallet, you need to download the app at trezor.io/start. The installation of the application is very fast. Several people have asked me if the Trezor wallet is only available in English. The answer is no. Trezor has many languages available. If the app is not displayed in your language, you can go to this settings icon and select it from this list. Now, I'm going to connect the wallet to start with the configuration. In my case, when I open the app, the question appears: have you used this Trezor before? The app asks the question because it detects that the wallet already has firmware installed. In my case, there is no problem, because before making the video I installed the firmware to verify that everything was okay and to be able to make a good video. So I'm going to select yes, set up my Trezor to continue with the process. In the configuration, you will see this first step, install the firmware. If you want to use this wallet only to store Bitcoin, you must select Bitcoin firmware only. And if you want to store a lot of cryptocurrencies and tokens, you should use the universal firmware. The next step is to verify that the Trezor device is legit. To confirm on the device, swipe up and tap the circle, and that's it, the check begins. And here appears the message indicating that the Save 5 wallet has been approved by Trezor and is ready to use. This means that the wallet is original, that it has not been manipulated, and you can use it with complete safety. The next step is to know how to use the device. Swipe up to start. Honestly, this device having a touch screen is very easy to use. Swipe up and down, move through screens. I'm going to swipe up to continue. In the menu icon at the top, you will find some specific actions and options. And to confirm important actions, you must hold, and that's it. At this point, I can tell you that I love the interaction with the screen. I think you can see it in the video. I touch the screen very gently and it reacts automatically. The truth is, I imagined a less sensitive screen, one of those that you have to touch a little harder for it to work. But no, it's a very good screen, very sensitive, and in some actions, when I touch it, it vibrates. The next step is to create the wallet. If you already have a wallet created, you can recover it on this device using 12 and 24 seed words. For this video, I'm going to create a new wallet. Here I will choose the backup that uses 20 seed words. If for some reason you don't like using 20 words, here below you can choose to create the wallet using 12 or 24 words backup. Now you select Create Wallet. And on the device hold to confirm. And that's it, wallet created successfully. Now comes the most important part of all, you must save the backup. To continue, you must read these safety tips and select these 3 checkboxes. and select Create Wallet Backup. And now, the device displays the message your wallet backup contains 20 words in a specific order. I'm going to swipe up. Now it shows the message Never put your backup anywhere digital. And finally, the device displays instructions for creating the backup. Write the following 20 words in order on your wallet backup card. Please note that words may be repeated. And now the words appear in order. Here above appears the message when a word is repeated. When you have copied all the words, hold a few seconds to confirm. Now, you need to check that you wrote them in the correct order. See, for security reasons, all words always appear on the device. The words are never displayed on the computer screen. That's why Trezor wallets are so secure. In my case, I have to select word number 3. Word number 3 is academic. Now, word number 14 is expect. And word number 19 is prevent. And that's it. The backup is complete. Now you must create the PIN to generate an additional security filter. Swipe up to confirm. I am going to enter the PIN 346599. I will confirm. And I'm going to re-enter the PIN to confirm. Look how interesting. For security reasons, the device has changed the order of the numbers on the keyboard. And that's it. The PIN is now configured. Swipe up to continue. Now, you need to select the cryptocurrencies you want to store in the Trezor wallet. If you suddenly forget to select a cryptocurrency at this step, no problem, you can do it later. I am going to select Bitcoin, Polygon, XRP, BNB, and Solana. Okay, now I'm going to deposit some Bitcoin to show you how the process works. Before continuing, if you want to buy this wallet, I leave you the link in the video description so you can go directly to the Trezor website. I advise you to accept cookies for better navigation, and you can make the buy in complete safety. Select Bitcoin, and to receive you can select this button on the top right or this button in the center. Now you select Show Full Address, and you check on the device that it is the same address. In my case, it starts with BC1QFRPA and ends with 35N46N. Look how big and clear the address is on the device screen. I love this wallet. Swipe up and tap the circle to confirm. Now in the app, you select Copy Address. And now you go to the exchange. I'm going to send the BTC from MEXC Global. I really like this exchange because it has very low commissions for both trading and withdrawals. At this moment, the fee on this exchange for withdrawing Bitcoin is only $2. In the video description, I leave you the link so you can register and take advantage of all its benefits and additionally 10% discount on trading fees for life. You go to the withdrawal section. Select BTC. Here you paste the address. And you will select the network. Choose this one, the original Bitcoin network. This one below is the Binance network. Never select that network to send original Bitcoin because you lose them. When I say original Bitcoin, it is because the BTC that moves on other networks such as the Binance network are not really Bitcoin, they are a token that reflects the price of Bitcoin, so you keep that in mind. Here you can see the fee, $2. You enter the amount you want to send. And finally select Send. I'm going to pass the security filter, and that's it. Now I go to the Trezor app, and here the BTC appear. Now I'm going to send these BTC back to the exchange to show you the process that makes these wallets so secure. Select Send here on the top right. And in the exchange, you go to the deposit section and choose Bitcoin. Choose the network and copy the address. Go to the app and paste the address here. Enter the amount you want to send. I'm going to select this icon to send everything. Here you can choose the type of fee. If the fee is low, the BTC takes longer to arrive. And if the fee is high, the BTC arrives faster. I am going to choose the high fee. You select Review and Send. Now, the transaction must be confirmed on the device. Here appears the send address. Starts at 3990 NBCS and ends at WGDHKM. And indeed, that is the address that MEX Global showed me. So, I swipe up to continue. Now, the amount appears. 0.0009194 BTC. It's almost $97. So, I swipe up to continue. Now, the amount of BTC including the fee appears. I am going to pay for this transaction 70 cents. So, I swipe up to continue. And I press for a few seconds to sign the transaction and authorize the send. And finally, in the app I will select Send, and that's it. Up here the message appears that the BTC are already being sent. I go to the exchange, and in the deposit section the message appears that the deposit was successful. Here you can see that the 3 confirmations have already been completed. Well, that's all for this video. If you found this information about the Trezor Safe 5 wallet useful, please share it. If you have any opinions or questions, you can leave them in the comments section. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.